super excited to show you my top 6 must-have holiday gifts this season. Trust me, they're flying off the shelf, so you better run out and grab them. I'm gonna kick it off with Rare Beauty. This is Selena's Faves must-have set. It comes with 4 of Selena Gomez's, you may have heard of her before, her favorites for eye, lip, and cheek, all packed into this travel size set for $30. So I love it for on the go, or if you want to gift it, it's the perfect size for a stocking stuffer. I also love this one from Briojio. This is the Honey Hydration Don't Despair Repair Hair Kit. Briojio is an incredible brand. I use it all the time. I've actually been using this mask in my regular routine. It is proven to increase moisture in the hair by 88% after 2 uses, which is just like, but let me tell you, I don't measure the moisture of my hair every time I use it, but I can definitely vouch my hair feels incredible. It's super shiny and it's made a huge difference. The set comes with a shampoo and conditioner as well. This is fantastic for all hair types. It's $38, and I think it's something special that someone might not necessarily buy for themselves, but they could really use a little self-care moment with it. I love getting cozy by the fireplace, lighting a candle during the holidays to really get into the mood. So I think that's why I love this set from Forever Mood. It's a candle duo. It comes with 2 full-size candles. The first one is called Sip Happens, and it has like this bubbly Prosecco type of smell. It's really unique, and it's called Sip Happens, you get it. And then also Floral Play, which has notes of gardenia, and they kind of offset each other really beautifully. It's $72. It's so chic. To me, this is like the perfect gift for the hostess with the mostest. You're going to a dinner party, maybe they could even light a candle while you're there and then make it even more special. But if you're looking for a lot of quality without breaking the bank, you gotta check out Sephora collection. This is the Holiday Vibes set of 8 face and body masks. So basically it comes with face masks and body masks, which I love because we're talking a lot about body skincare recently. It's trending, it's a big conversation in the industry, so I think it's cool that they included both. But what I love most about this set is whether you're buying it for yourself or you're gifting it to someone else, you really can encourage a little bit of self-care. Say you need to take a moment away from the family, go into your room, close the door, and have your masking moment. I love that it encourages that self-care. It's $25, $36 value, so you're getting more masks than you're paying for and could even gift them individually, which I've done before. This is also from Sephora collection. This is the Holiday Vibes Cream Lip Stain Lipstick Set. I'm actually wearing my cream lip stain today. I love this formula. Seriously, it's so comfortable to wear, it lasts so long, and it doesn't dry out your lips. You know how sometimes the longer lasting formulas can feel dry? This doesn't. People can't stop talking about this. It comes with 6 lipsticks for the price of 2, so you're paying $30 at a $90 value, so it's a no-brainer, that one. And then finally, last but not least, this is from Sephora Favorites, and I feel like you can't not talk about Sephora Favorite kits at the holiday. It's such a unique gifting experience, and there's always so much value packed into it. So this is the Bestsellers Perfume Sampler Set. Basically for $25, you're gonna get 7 perfume samplers. Try them out, see which one you like, you get to choose, and then there's an included scent certificate that you can redeem a full-size fragrance of your choice, whichever one you liked the most, in-store or online at no additional cost. So say you have that person and you just don't know what to gift them, maybe they're a little picky, we all have that person in our life, this is perfect because ultimately they get to choose, but it's still so thoughtful. These are absolutely my top 6 must-haves. They're flying. You better go in and run and grab them. You can check out your local Sephora store, which is great because there's always someone to help you out. Sephora.com. Don't forget about our app or at Sephora for always the latest and greatest in beauty.